If you close your eyes.
Hello everyone, welcome to CodeWrite. In the last video, we saw how you can convert your machine learning code saved in a Jupyter notebook or a traditional Python file into a website where the user can get his prediction using a very interactive way of web pages. It is a way better method to present your idea instead of the traditional Python files. We did this using Flask to make the website and the pickle library to serialize the model. If you haven't checked this video, please click on the top right icon of your screen. The website we made in the last video looked like this. The user can enter flower dimensions and get the result, that is the type of the flower. In this video, we'll improve the UI of the website and also improvise the business logic. I'll also show you some Flask features. The website we'll be making in this video will look like this. Let's design this home page first. For this I have used Bootstrap. You can include Bootstrap in your project by just including the CDN of Bootstrap. CDN stands for Content Delivery Network. By using this, suppose a user hits your website, the Bootstrap files are cached into his memory. And the second time he visits your website, the website will get loaded faster as the files are present in the cache memory. I have used Bootstrap only for this submit button. I have included the class as primary to get the blue color. I have included the form in a div tag and I have set the style for border and for the background color. You will get the source code in the description. In the result page, we will be showing the picture of the flower that is predicted by the model. And we'll also include a link to go back to the main page. Now let's code this in the app.py file of the project. We have the images in the static folder of our project. Now we'll create an image variable and set it to the name of the flower. We'll be doing this. We have the flowers in the static folder of the project. We'll be creating an image variable and set it to the name of the image file of the flower. We'll be sending this image variable along with the result variable to the result page. By doing this, we'll be getting the picture of the selected class on the web. This is a good way compared to using the Ginger template logic on the HTML page using if and else blocks. This separates the business logic from the front-end logic, which is considered as a good practice in the industry standards. Now we'll include an image tag in the result. We'll keep the source as the static folder and the image variable that we have got from the app.py file. Then we'll also include an a tag to go back to the main page. We'll use the br tag to separate these two. Now let's check the website. We'll just put some dummy values here. Let's click the submit button. We can see the result is Iris setosa and the image is also of Iris setosa. We can click this to go back to the main page. So we have built a website using Flask and machine learning. In the next series of video, we'll be building a project that you can showcase on your resume, which will be considered good for machine learning as well as for web development. Please like the video and share it and subscribe the channel. It really motivates us to make many more videos. Thank you.